the if and else statement is one of the very useful and the powerful command in the Excel VBA. The Microsoft Excel if then else statement can only be used in the VBA code. It executes one set of code if a specified condition evaluates true or another set of code evaluates false. Let me go to the Visual Basic Editor and I will create one more new task, one more new sub name. So for an example, I will update range A1 value as test. For this is for just for testing purpose. I am updating A1 as test and I am updating the if condition. For that, just type if either you can use range A1 or sheets of sheet 1, something like that, or you can directly call sheet 1 dot range A1 dot value equal true, then message box. I want to display the message box of true values. Next, end if. So the sub starts with sub and end with end sub, right? Like the same, the if should be starts with if and the end with end if command. So this is mandatory. Without end if, you cannot execute the task. When you are running, you will see the error. Block if without end if. So at the time you can see we missed the end if. So you need to update the end if statement. Now we have updated all the values. So if will validate whether the condition is satisfied. If sheet 1 dot range is equal test, if sheet 1 dot value test, instead of that I have updated true. Perfect. True values. So if I am changing any other things, like I'll delete the values. Let's see. Now it's not displaying the message box since the if condition is not satisfied. The value is not available in the range A1, so it's not matching. So in some other cases, you need to use the else statement also. For that, very simple. Else statement is very simple. Else message box false values. So if there is a test value, it will display message box as true value. Else, if there is any value, no values, then it will display the message box false values. So this is just for if and the else command. Then you need to use the else if also. So else if is very simple. After the if, you need to use the else if. Else if sheet 1 dot range A1 dot value is equal testing, then message box of testing. So now I am going to update the value as testing. Like this, you can use multiple else if conditions. There is no limited. You can use multiple else if. Like the same, you can testing or any other words, training, welcome, something, you can validate. First it will validate the if condition. The if is not satisfied. So it's directly jump into the next else if command. Even if the else if is not matching, then it will directly jump into else command. Currently the else if is matching. Else if this command is matching, so directly jump into the else if command. Now I will delete the values. So what will happen is, it will validate the first one, if condition validate. Next else if, it will validate the else if. Next directly jump into the else command. There is nothing, no commands are matching, then only it will move to the else command. So for that you need to use else command. Perfect. So here also I have provided some of the examples. For A2 is equal n, if there is a n value, it will display as north, or else it will display as some other values. Like this I have provided some of the conditions. So let me show you. I'll update range A1 as n. This is just for a direction purposes. A2 I am assigning the range A1 values to one of the variable, L region variable. If L region is equal to n, then it will assign the other variable. L region name is equal north. Then range A2 dot value is equal north. Perfect. It's updated the values. If I am changing this to yes, next we'll see what will happens when I'm pressing. So it's matching with this else if command. Else if yes equals yes, right? This variable equals yes. So now this will get matching. So now L region variable has been assigned as south. Range A2 dot value is equal region name. So perfectly it's updated the values.